Welcome to Sheets Ahead. My name is Greg. Thank you for joining me. Today's video will show you how to replace the VLookup function in Sheets or Excel with the index and match functions. The VLookup function looks vertically across columns to return a value based on a search key. In this example, we are selecting our favorite baseball team to find out what city and park they play in. First, we will use the VLookup function, which for our purposes will contain three things. The search key, which is what we are looking for. This could be a value. In our case, it's a cell reference. The range is where both the search key and the desired results columns are found. The index is the column number in the range where the results column is located. To find the location of our favorite team using VLookup, we type equals, then VLookup. We can tab to finish the function name. Our search key will be H5, the name of our favorite team. Our range needs to include the team and location columns. And our index is 2, as the results are in the second column of the range. For the Toronto Blue Jays, this returns Toronto, Ontario, which is correct. When we try to use VLookup for park name, we run into a problem. The park name or results column is to the left of the team or search key column. We can try index of 1 to return the park name column, but our results are not accurate. The Toronto Blue Jays do not play at Busch Stadium, and the Boston Red Sox do not play at American Family Field. Let's see how the index and match functions can help us. On their own, index and match are separate functions that can have many options and purposes. To solve our unordered column problem, we will combine the two functions and use only a small but powerful set of their capabilities. We are going to insert the match function into the index function, and we will need 4 things. The reference is the range where your results are, what you want returned. Search key, the value we are looking for. Range is where the search key will be found. Search type defines whether the largest value, the smallest value, or an exact match will be returned. To find what city our favorite team plays in, we type equals index. We use the location column as the reference, what we want returned. Next, we insert the match function. Our favorite team is the search key in H5, and the team column is the range, where our search key is. We will use 0 as the search type to return an exact match. This returns Toronto, Ontario for the Toronto Blue Jays, which is accurate. Let's try using the same formula for park name. We type equals index. This time, our reference is the park name column. That's what we want returned. We insert the match function and use the same search key, our favorite team, the same range from the list of teams. The search type is 0 again for an exact match. Now it displays Rogers Centre for the Toronto Blue Jays, Fenway Park for the Boston Red Sox, and Dodger Stadium for the LA Dodgers. In summary, the index and match functions offer more flexibility than VLookup by being able to return values from columns not solely to the right of your data, and they are just as easy to use. I hope you found this video informative, and thank you for watching.